Let's take a look at how you can translate or localize your modules for different audiences using the MetaSkills Avatar Studio dashboard. To begin, navigate to the Trainings window and select one of your existing training modules. Open the editor just as you would when making changes to the module content. Once inside the editor, look to the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the Edit Translations button. Click this to view all current translations that exist for this particular module. In this instance, there aren't any translations yet. To create one, click on the Add New Localization button. This will open the Language Selector screen, where you'll see that there are currently over 30 languages available to choose from. For this example, let's select Dutch as our chosen language contextualization for the module. You'll now see your current module content displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. On the right, you'll find the target translation boxes. You can manually translate your text by typing directly into the corresponding text fields. If you'd prefer to speed things up, you can automatically generate the full translation by clicking the Auto Generate All button in the top right-hand corner. Once the system has completed the translation, your translated text will appear on the right-hand side. You can then review and refine the automated translation, making any adjustments needed to better suit specific audiences or cultural contexts. When you're happy with the localization, click the Save Localization button in the bottom left-hand corner. Then select Back to Training to return to your module editor screen. Your translated version is immediately available, and learners can select the new language from the Language drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of their screen. And that's how simple it is to localize your training for a global audience.